is splitting like an atom. I've been mixing my sins once again. My soul once burned with a passion. Those circumstances does the flames I've forgotten. Who I am again, I can hardly remember my name. And my heart is filled with longing. My eyes are filled with shame. Sweetness, oh, I was broken, but now I'm fixed. Between the sky and the river flows, down my spine where the shiver rolls. Like this, we'll never know again. It's all I can say. It's all I can say. As bed as this in which I lie, on the sheet so soiled and stained.